Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change gender in Roblox. To change the gender in Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox application on your mobile device or on your desktop. And once you are in the home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the More menu, go ahead and select Settings. After selecting Settings, click on Account Info. From the Account Info section, scroll down until you find the Gender option and then choose your gender, whether you are a male or a female. And once you are done, that's how your progress will be saved. After making the changes, you will be able to change your gender right away. You can also go to the Avatar section from the main home page at the bottom and choose your character, change the body type, head, and clothing to match your preferred gender appearance. And that is how you can easily change your gender on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more Roblox tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.